Ito lang. Kagagaling lang namin sa sa pit clinic lang. So galing ako doon. I'm from pit clinic lang. No, dog clinic. Kasi we have a coat. No? We have a coat. That's why I need to go to the doctor. And this is two of us lang. We have also a coat. So mamaya, maybe in the few minutes, I will be going also to again in the clinic. No, this is two of dogs we have. Also we have a coat also, so I need to go to, but I need to mamaya na. So I will clean first my house lang, then after maybe in this afternoon I will be go to in the pet clinic. So this is done, no? Done. So we have also 5 days. 5 days, so ika 2 days na nila, no? Today is 2 days, no? 2 days na sila we have a injection. So anan. So I need to talk in English lang because I have also a followers from the other country. So pasensya na po kung hindi talaga kasi sabi kasi ng ng followers ko doon, isa nagko-comment na I don't really what your thought, but all I can see you is sticker yourself, anak siya, ganon siya sa akin. So dami palang followers sa akin na ibang bansa. That's why I need to talk in English, no? Para-paraan lang tayo kasi wala tayong trabaho dito sa Pilipinas. So para-paraan lang talaga. Ito sa free ito, saka walang masama dito, di ba? So yung dalawa lang nag-start na yung coat nila, yung ubo nila, yung saka yung sipo nila. That's why na mamaya ipupunta ko yun ng clinic again. Lang hindi yung talaga yung pet clinic talaga, yung dog clinic talaga lang is sobrang mahal, expensive talaga lang. So pero mayroon talaga dito sa amin na hindi masyadong expensive kasi maawain siya sa aso. So napakamura lang niya, no? Napakamura. Think do talaga ako. Sabi ko talaga, sana madagdagan pa siya, no? Mayroon pang mga doctors ng mga hayop na ganun kay sa doktor yung pinupuntahan ko na napakamura lang talaga kasi maaawain siya sa aso. Alam niya kapag pet clinic na talaga is sobrang mahal. Alam mo noon, nung mga aso ko noon lang, gagasto ako ng tag 5K, ganun. Tapos, hindi pa yun continue kasi mamamatay lang siya bigla. Pero gumastos na ako ng 5K. So, paano kaya kung matagal na matay, hindi ko talaga kaya kasi ang daming aso ko. I have a lot of dogs. So, I can't afford to the expensive clinic for the dog clinic. Cannot afford. So, that's why I will be going. We have also a clinic that it's not expensive, no? Right? Expensive. Hindi siya expensive. Hindi siya talaga mataas maningil. So that's why nagamot ko sila. So balik ako tomorrow kasi ika-2 pa lang nila ngayon. So pero mamaya pupunta naman ako again doon kasi yung dalawa talaga mag-i-start na naman talaga yung ubo nila sa kasip. So, ganun lang. So, magbabay muna ako.